To connect a printer on Xiaomi 15 Ultra, we can go to Settings, then choose More Connectivity Options, and then over here we have Printing. Once you are here, you can, for example, start by going System Printing Service, and then you can try to search for your printer. Make sure that Use Print Service is enabled. If you go to More, you can also press Add Printer in order to try to add your printer to the list. You might also try to go to Mi Home instead in order to try to find a printer over here, as long as it is compatible with Mi Home. And you can also press Add Service in order to open Google Play with different print services. Now, most of the time, printers also have their own apps, so make sure to check out the manual of your printer in order to find out if you don't have to install a specific app that you can most likely find on Google Play. And then once you install it, you will probably be able to easily connect your printer. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!